Every garden produces something that most people simply throw away: old leaves, weeds, grass, and plants that have finished producing. But instead of sending all this garden waste to the trash, it can be turned into a useful homemade liquid fertilizer for the soil and growing plants. In this video, you'll learn how to turn old leaves, weeds, grass, and other healthy plant material into a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer using nothing more than water and a little patience. First, remove the plants and weeds that are no longer useful in the garden. This can include plants whose harvesting season has finished, old vegetable plants, unwanted weeds, and excess grass. Removing these plants also clears space for new crops and prevents the garden bed from becoming overcrowded. Next, collect fresh or recently fallen leaves from different healthy plants, including leaves from fruit trees and vegetable plants. Weeds and grass can also be added, as long as they are healthy and have not been treated with herbicides or other chemicals. Avoid diseased plants, invasive weeds, and weeds that have already produced mature seeds, because their seeds may survive and spread back into the garden. Now bring all of the collected plant material together and chop it into smaller pieces. Cutting the leaves, stems, grass, and weeds into smaller pieces increases their surface area, allowing microorganisms to break them down more quickly and helping their soluble nutrients move into the water more efficiently. Take a clean plastic bucket and add several liters of non-chlorinated water. Then place all of the chopped plant material into the bucket. Push everything down with a clean stick or tool until the leaves, grass, and other plant pieces are completely soaked. Once everything is submerged, cover the bucket and place it in a shaded area away from direct sunlight. Now comes the most important ingredient: time. Leave the mixture for about 2 to 4 weeks. During this period, microorganisms begin breaking down the plant material and releasing some of its soluble nutrients and organic compounds into the water. The longer decomposition continues, the darker and stronger the liquid generally becomes. After 2 to 4 weeks, open the bucket and take a look at the mixture. Many of the leaves and softer plant materials will have broken down considerably, while the water will have turned into a thick, dark-colored liquid. This dark liquid is a concentrated fermented plant extract containing soluble nutrients and organic compounds released from the plant material. It can be useful as a supplementary fertilizer, especially when combined with good soil management and plenty of organic matter. Now carefully transfer the liquid into another clean bucket. If there are large pieces of plant material, strain them out first so the final liquid is easier to apply. The liquid should then be diluted with clean water before applying it to the garden. Dilution is important because the concentrated extract can be too strong for young or sensitive plants. A good starting point is to dilute approximately 1 part of the fermented liquid with 5 to 10 parts of water, and use a weaker dilution for seedlings or sensitive plants. Once diluted, The homemade fertilizer can be poured directly onto the soil around the roots of established plants. It can also be applied across prepared garden beds before planting. As the liquid reaches the soil, it provides a small supply of readily available nutrients and organic compounds, while returning some of the nutrients from discarded garden vegetation back into the growing system. This creates a simple garden cycle. Plants grow, leaves and weeds are collected, that plant material is converted into liquid fertilizer, and the nutrients are returned to the soil. Instead of throwing away valuable garden waste, it can become one more free resource for building a healthier and more productive garden.